Hi guys, it is March 4th, 2025. William here, and Squirrel Friend is here, eating up the seeds. Eats the seeds from the bird feeder. Cute little guy. He sits in the bird feeder and eats up. So it was a slow day today. Gonna do a laundry and tape a vlog and watch the president's address to the Congress. That should be fun. Megan's coming tomorrow, and we're gonna go down to Shoppers Drug Mart in Bedford and transfer my meds to that pharmacy. It's a little closer, and it does something else. Kaylee said it does something else that makes it easier for us to get the Libre 2, my diabetic sensor. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna transfer the medications. Oh, the birds are at the bird feeder. Yep, they're eating it up. There's the birds. Birds at the bird feeder. Finally. What it's meant for. Love the birds. Oh, close up. So, what else? Not much else happening today. Once again, it's a slow day. We're trying to find someone to replace Megan, Megan. She's not going to be seeing me anymore. She was seeing me every second Wednesday, but she's not going to be seeing me anymore. We're going to try to get Iona to come in on Wednesdays. That would be great if we can get Iona. That would be nice. But, yeah. Thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers and all my commenters. And thanks for viewing the vlog. And I'll see you in the next vlog.